headed over to the car wash, aka bike wash. Take this muddy beast over there and show y'all how to get it pretty clean with minimal work. The way I like it. It's a pretty good process. I just spray it off. I got some mean green. That's what I used last time, and it seemed to work pretty good. I've used simple green in the past, and it did good as well. But the mean green actually did a fairly decent job last time, so I'm gonna go with it again. Let y'all see how the process goes, and if we can't get this thing cleaned up. We're riding in the Jeep. It's a bouncy ride. It's probably loud on this camera, but we gonna do it. Done went to one car wash and their change machine was broken. We'll see how somebody can run a business and not have a change machine when all your booths or your bays have to have change to operate. Stay tuned. Alright guys, load her up, knock the big stuff off of her. As you can see, she come pretty clean. There's still some dirt residue, mud, grimy stuff on it. Got the mean green super strength. Just going to soak it down. Alright, she's soaked down pretty good. I found that whenever you clean your bike up like this after a big ride, it makes the bolt check, which I'll do later today, so much easier because you can see all your bolts. You can get to them with less hassle. It's super dark in here. Yeah, you can get to the bolts and there's no dirt in the way. You can make sure you get all your bolts tight. I have found a couple of things that we left loose when we done the big board kit. That's going to be addressed today. and we're gonna let this sit. She's soaked down pretty good. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, dissolve all that dirt and grease and grime. Then we're gonna juice up the sprayer again and rinse it all off. Yeah, she's gonna come pretty clean. For a 2007 model, it's been beat. She's pretty clean. That main leg. She's zoomed out here so you can see. Oh yeah. Get on the bright side here. She's not perfect, but she's pretty nice. Alright, I think I'm going to head over and see if the bike shop's got a set of brakes, rear brakes. Mine are pegged. And then probably head over to the compound. That's E-Tard now texting me. Probably head over that way. Alright guys, we're out here at White's. Pick up a set of rear brakes. And we're gonna go over to the compound and throw them on the bike. Hi guys, got some brakes. Look here, like 10 bucks for some brakes. Pit bikes are awesome. So we're gonna head over to the compound, check some stuff out. Alright, made it over here to the compound. Go find E-Tard, see what he's up to. Probably clean up the shop a little bit, give y'all a tour. What up, Lily? Just vlogging.
Is that brakes?
Yeah. Alright guys. Alright guys, here's our little shop we got going on. Got a wall over here empty for stickers. Started it with a little sticker I took off the bike. Got both bikes in here, fixing to tear this one down. Put the brakes in it. Because as you can see right there, She's maxed out, and she was hanging up on the trail last time we took it out. As you can see in the daylight, she come pretty clean. Got all the mud out from under there. It was caked up. Still got grass hanging from some places. Right here. Alright, we're gonna tear her down. See what the brakes look like. Focus, focus. She's dirty. Alright. Take these brakes apart. Got those out. New set. Alright, I'm going to take this and clean it up. Alright, I got her all cleaned up. Beautiful. Set my usable range. Put it back together. Jason, if you're watching this video, this is how easy it is to put the brakes in that Honda you just bought. But I'll do it for you. Bring it to me. The main key I found is putting these spacers back in the right spot. If they're not right, you'll go to tighten up your bolt for your axle and it will pinch your wheel or it won't roll.
Pinch it.
I hope the younger viewers are watching, picking this stuff up. What's up, Lily? You a YouTube star? Alright, we got her all back together. Went back in the Jeep, headed home. Back in the Jeep and headed home. She runs, fired her up, tested the brakes. Brakes are good. We're gonna do front brakes next. Probably should have did front brakes this time, but I like my wheelies. So, catch you back at the house. See what else we can get into. Alright guys, we're headed back to the house. My grandbabies are gonna stay with me tonight. Got a little 4-year-old granddaughter and a 1-month-old grandson. So we'll get to keep them tonight while my daughter does something. So it's gonna be fun. Maybe I'll get some videos of me playing Barbies. So if you like the video, let me know. If you need any questions answered, I may be able to answer them on cleaning the bike or brakes. I'm gonna probably do the front brakes. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm putting a high pressure steering line on a Chevrolet dually. I may vlog it, a little bit of it, but I'll definitely vlog something because what else am I gonna do? So leave me some comments. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you like the content. If you don't, it was nice to see you. Maybe check back in later on another video. You might like what you see. So until next time, y'all be safe.